Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee. In this video, I'll be sharing some information about the Pioneer music system that I've been using in my Santro for it's been almost 15 years. So I just wanted to show you the system and also wanted to share you a bit review about how is it and what do I feel after listening to the music from the system for around 15 years. And if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button as it helps this video reach a lot more people, and also subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon and let's get started now. Here's the music system and you can see it's Pioneer. Exact model name I'm not sure, but I'll just show you the condition, like how is the wear and tear been. So this one is the volume knob, kind of become dirty now, and it's the press system, but you can see if I press there is a slight loose connection. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen. You can see the markings have almost like gone off. Now we don't know what is this button for, and even here something was written that is also gone. These markings are okay, but here again you can see slight wear and tear here. And this is actually a CD player, does not have USB, no aux. So this is like very old. At that time aux and all, this was like CD was the next big thing that time. Now it's like touch screen and all, but at that time it was for people were migrating from cassette to CD player. So that's why this one has CD player, you can see. So this one is the CD. You can currently, I have a CD, but again this has a problem that the CD won't come out. You have to pull it like this, and still this time it's not coming out, but sometimes it does come out, sometimes it doesn't come out. So that one, I don't know, there was some problem with the system. And this one you can see here, this plugs pins. So that is basically, this is anti-theft music system, so you can actually like remove it and only you will be able to see this system. This part you can carry it home, so whenever you are like parking in a deserted place and someone, because earlier people used to steal this, you know, people used to steal. Still there is cases of the stealing, but it has become less because now it comes integrated. But earlier when it used to come, this people used to break the glass, take the system, and I don't know what they used to do, but this used to be the costly affair. So that's why yeah, this has this feature anti-theft. And speakers, there are two speakers front here and right side there. This is Pioneer. Again, the whole system in the car is Pioneer. The model name you will be able to see on the screen now. It's some 1010R and it has been doing pretty well. I was very impressed by the front speakers, even though they are not very big, but they have been performing very well. And next I'll show you the back speakers, which is a little bit more problematic. The front one's only problem I have faced is that left one is very good, right one little bit loose connection has happened. That's nothing to do with the system. It's like the wires have become loose. So yeah, that's it. The front speakers haven't given any much problem. Back ones are the one that give more problem. I'll just show you the back system. So these are the back systems. You can see it's in a lot of problematic situation. So the plywood has actually broken off. So which one is this? Pioneer TS A69905 6x9 coaxial 5-way 400 watt max 4 ohm impedance. So this both system is from Pioneer, but you can see we have tried to like make it like sit on this, but it has not been very like proper and it has broken again and again. So I'm thinking of changing it. This is the actual system, Pioneer. Let me just move it the other way and I'll come back. So here are the speakers turned the other way and you can see again problematic, this thing has broken off. And even here we have tried to give some support, but it keeps falling. Car actually you can put the smaller speakers like the front ones, but we put the bigger ones, that's why you needed to put this extra plank. Otherwise normally if you don't put these big speakers, then there will be just a parcel tray here. So that was the complete system, and I'm planning to like get this repaired, and also let's see if we can change the music system. It cost, that one costed, I don't know how much it costed, but now I think around 5 to 6k you can get a good system, but let's see. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.